From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. I have concrete evidence. Let your husband defend himself. Natasha warns Akpabio's wife. Regina Daniels reviews new focus amid marital crisis with Ned Nwoko. As regards Ramadan, ease Nigerians' burdens. Article tells federal government. Now the news in detail. The senator representing Kogi Central at the Senate, Natasha Uduaghan, has warned the wife of the Senate President, Akpabio, Unoma, to stay out of the allegation of sexual harassment and intimidation against her husband. NaijaNews reported that the lawmaker had earlier accused Akpabio of making sexual advances at her, stressing that her motion was denied because she refused to yield to the Senate President. The Kogi-born senator made the allegation on Friday while fielding questions on a Rice television morning show program. Reacting to the allegation while addressing newsmen in Abuja on Friday, Unoma stated that Natasha was maligning her husband and creating content for personal gains. She added that Akpabio and Natasha's husband are very good friends, describing her husband as a disciplined and jovial person who is often misinterpreted. However, in a letter dated March 1st, 2025, addressed to Akpabio's wife through a lawyer, Natasha advised the Senate President's wife to refrain from getting involved in the matter. The letter titled "Stay Away from Senator Natasha Uduaghan's sexual harassment and intimidation allegation against Senate President Akpabio to safeguard your sanity and that of your family," stressed that the accusations were personal to Akpabio and that he should defend himself. The lawmaker stated that she had endured harassment from Akpabio and was compelled to speak out, adding that she has enough evidence to back up her claims. In other news, Nollywood actress Regina Daniels appears to be redirecting her energy towards personal growth and financial success following reports of a marital crisis with her billionaire husband, Ned Nwoko. It's worth noting that for the past few weeks, there has been tension between Regina and her politician husband, Ned, as the two haven't been spotted together for over a month, and the actress took down his last name from her Instagram bio. In a follow-up post, the mother of two made it clear that her priority is now securing wealth rather than dwelling on personal issues. "Na money wey go make me craze I dey find now," she boldly declared while sharing stunning ageless photos of herself. The statement has since sparked reactions online, with many interpreting it as a sign that the actress has fully embraced financial independence amid rumors of tensions in her marriage. And lastly for tonight, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2023 elections, Atiku Abubakar, has highlighted the economic hardship facing Nigerians and urged government at all levels to take concrete steps to ease the burden on citizens. In a statement on his official X page on Friday, Atiku emphasized the importance of generosity, urging Nigerians to extend support beyond their immediate families. Nigerians are passing through harsh economic situations, and it's necessary that government provide palliatives to support the people and alleviate their living conditions. The lifestyle of the noble prophet Muhammad should be our guide, as it taught us the immense benefit of being generous, especially during the month of Ramadan, he said. He called on Muslims and Nigerians to use the holy month of Ramadan as an opportunity for charity, compassion, and prayers for the nation's progress, peace, and development. The PDP chieftain asserted that Ramadan is a time for spiritual reflection and national unity. "I urge that we remember Nigeria in our prayers and call on government to provide the necessary support that will ease the pain in the lives of Nigerians during the Ramadan fasting and beyond," he added. "We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.